Okay, so tingnan nyo yung cake na to. Parang walang ka-view-view, ano. Lagyan nga natin ng something on top para maging maganda siya tingnan. Okay. Ito yung napag-isipan ko na ilagay. Yung Oreo biscuits, parang, look at that. It looks different. Tapos, lagyan natin ng toppings na confectioner sugar. Powdered sugar. Ooh, look at that. See? Diba? Maganda na siya. This is a thank you cake. Ibibigay ko sa previous ko na supervisor kasi ang laking tulong niya sa akin. Parang natanggalan talaga ako ng tinik nung narinig ko na nag-oo siya sa aking approach na to help me to get through to my assessments. So this is a thank you cake I made for her. And yeah, I made this with all my love. Okay, so thank you so much, Steph, for helping me.